11,351 students successfully passed PSHS National Competitive Examination. Only 5,544 students were able to enroll due to lack of slots. What percent of the students were able to enroll? A. 51.16%, B. 51%, C. 48.84%, D. 49%, E. 50%. Welcome back mga ka-review! Malapit na ang Civil Service Examination. Good luck sa mga ka-review natin na kukuha ng exam. Sana nakakatulong sa pagre-review nyo ang mga videos natin dito sa Earl's Review Channel. Percentage problem naman tayo. Madami na din tayong videos regarding percentage. Kaya sa mga nakasubaybay sa channel natin, easy na lang sagutan yan. Gagawin natin, itong number of students enrolled, divide itong total number of students. 5,544 divided by 11,351.4884. At dahil percentage multiplied sa 100. 0.4884 multiplied by 100 is 48.84. Kaya ang sagot ay C, 48.84%. Sana nakatulong ang solution ngayon ka-review. Correct me if I'm wrong. Subscribe for more.